สวัสดีค่ะ We are from Thailand and here we bring the souvenirs from Thailand and which are durian, the freeze dried durian, soft dry mangoes, the coconut chips, and also everything from the Phuket Island because we are from the biggest souvenirs shop of Phuket. คุณแม่จู้
I'm from Kuching, Malaysia. We have a grilled chicken, which is a street style of Kuching. So this is a gula apong chicken, which is a palm sugar actually. It's not that sweet, but it have like a honey taste, very savory, and the sweet is a natural sweet. It's a good experience because I really wanted to know how the respond, how the people from here and all the tourists come to Macau, how they respond on our food. At first they are a bit weird, but when they taste it, they like it actually.
It's a very good festival and a very good opportunity for us to highlight our gastronomic dishes here in Macau. This is our local blend chocolate, which we call in the Philippines tablea, which is being used in making our cold and our hot drink.
We prepare the flavors of Parma in a risotto. That is a typical course that we prepare in Italy. We prepare it with a lot of ingredients, local ingredients of Parma, so Parmesan cheese, Parma ham, tomato flakes, and tomato balsamic vinegar that is his own creation. It was a big opportunity for us because we would like to spread our culture of food because we are in Parma, we are the food valley. So it is very important to spread not only the culture as art, but also the food that in Italy is very important. So we are really happy to be here.